What happens if the developer delays handover or fails to deliver? The direct outcome client need to know is this. Dubai's legal framework is heavily tilted towards protecting the buyer's investment in case of developer delay or failure. The system is designed to prevent client money from being lost and to provide clear avenues for compensation or termination. As a RERA compliant agent, here is the detailed professional breakdown of the three scenarios and the specific legal remedies under the Dubai Land Department, DLD, and the Real Estate Regulatory Agency, RERA applicable. Scenario A, developer delays handover. Scenario B, project is abandoned or cancelled. The action plan, what we do immediately. 1. Scenario A, developer delays handover, the most common issue. Developers are legally required to deliver the unit by the date specified in the Sale and Purchase Agreement, SPA. They are typically granted a contractual grace period, often 6 to 12 months, beyond the official completion date. The buyer's options after the grace period expires. Option 1, continue with the developer and claim compensation. The remedy. Most SPAs contain a clause for liquidated damages, a pre-agreed penalty. If the developer is late, they must pay the client compensation, usually calculated as a percentage of the amount client has paid. For every day or month the delay continues after the grace period ends. This compensation helps offset costs like alternative rental accommodation or loss of potential rental income. Option 2, terminate the contract and demand a full refund from developer. The remedy, if the delay is deemed significant and the duration is often specified in the SPA or decided by the Dubai Real Estate Court, client has the right to serve a legal notice to the developer and demand the termination of the SPA. The outcome, client is entitled to a full refund of all amounts paid, potentially with interest and damages, which RERA and the courts are empowered to enforce. The first step is always to review the SPA. Flag these clauses during the review to ensure clients' interests are fully protected before they sign. 2. Scenario B, project is abandoned or cancelled, the worst case issue. This is the catastrophic scenario, but thanks to RERA Law number 8 of 2007, the escrow law, clients' money is protected. The escrow account protects all client payments locked into a dedicated RERA regulated bank account. The developer cannot touch this money unless verified construction milestones are met. Project cancellation. If RERA cancels a project due to developer failure, the project is immediately transferred to a special liquidation committee or the Dubai Real Estate Court. The committee's mandate is to liquidate the project's assets and ensure the prompt return of all funds to the buyers from the escrow account. Client funds are segregated and secure. In less extreme cases, RERA may step in to transfer the incomplete project to a more stable, trustworthy developer, often one of the Tier 1 names. This ensures the project is completed and client investment is salvaged, albeit with a new handover date. 3. The action plan, what we do immediately. If a delay occurs, panic is unnecessary. Client follows a clear, professional, and legal roadmap. 1. Verify project completion status. Check the project's official completion percentage on the DLD website to verify the developer's claim. Issue formal notice to the developer. Serve a legal notification to the developer through RERA or a notary after the grace period expires, officially demanding compliance or compensation. File a formal complaint with RERA, who will initiate a mediation process and determine the appropriate compensation or legal remedy based on the SPA and DLD law. Court action, the last resort. If RERA mediation fails, client is advised to file a claim with the Dubai Real Estate Court, which has a specialist tribunal for these disputes, to enforce compensation or contract termination. While delays are frustrating, the Dubai system ensures your capital is protected and provides clear legal recourse for compensation. Based on this security, advise client to move forward with vetting a developer's track record, focusing specifically on their delivery history against promised deadlines.